I greet on my people. This video now concerning the recent happenings for Germany. I beg. Waiting happen to our brother Ike Ekweremadu no be say in people hate her. In people no hate her. But it a pain we say we get people like her, and yet a lot has been happening in the East. Ever since Ojukwu died, we no get anybody, no man, no woman for East, we get balls, we get guts to oppose the oppressors in the whole Eastern region, in the whole of East. No lights, no good roads, no airports. The one we have already has been shut down. No refinery, no good health system. Our educational system are nothing to write about. And yet we have representatives. The ones we have already, they are shutting it down. And nobody is talking. Look at the killings in the East. And nobody is talking. They are all scared. Initially, when this agitation started, if you come to social media, you will still see people from the West and the North. They will begin to tell you, you don't need to blame the president. You don't need to blame the Nigerian government. Ask your representatives. Ask your politicians. And when you see the people that have the guts to ask these politicians, you still see the irredeemable slaves attacking them. I was surprised to see a lot of reactions, especially from the East. With all the killings in the East, I have never seen the kind of reaction like the one I saw recently. You see people coming after the people that are trying to liberate them from the kind of perjury they are into. Women can no longer go to their farms. And yet, no great reactions like this from our people in the East. This video is for the irredeemable slaves in Igbo land. You think you went to school. You think you know it all. And those that cannot even present their WAEC certificate are ruling over you. And the only man that has come out boldly to deliver you from these shackles of the evil, shackles of wickedness, you are attacking him. IPOB is your problem. And when we say IPOB, what do you mean by, what do you understand by IPOB? Indigenous people of Biafra. Not everybody is, nobody is forcing you to believe in Biafra. Nobody is forcing you to become a Biafran. You can be a Nigerian, you can be a Cameroonian for all I care. But you see those that have come out to liberate themselves from this cage called Nigeria, you have no right or whatsoever to come for them. You think Germany is like the animal kingdom, where you see the soldiers, you see army shooting people for carrying just flags. You see people just calling for mere protests. You see them shooting them like ammunition. And you think you know it all. You are nothing but a slave. And may you remain so. Since they have decided that we are not going to have these good facilities in the Eastern region, they owe us every explanation because it is our right. Since they said that it is no longer something that we need to protest, then it is by force. They must answer us. Look at our youth languishing in prison yard. Go to the prison yard and look and see our youth. Go there and see boys. Great features. You are nothing but a danger species in as much as you are in Nigeria. See the ones that are dying in Sahara deserts. See the ones that are drowning in Mediterranean Sea. And the only man that has come out because of the pains, because of what we are passing through, and you have the guts to come out. You have the guts to come out to condemn IPOB. May you never receive justice. May you never receive justice when you are being attacked. Those that have come out to attack, these ones that have the guts to confront these men, may you never receive justice. Look at our roads, death trap. Our roads are death traps. And yet we have these men. All they do is to come out because they answer Ochendo. They answer all sort of names. You hail them. They give you peanuts. They share our mother's wrappers. Those things, those money they are giving to you are meant to be yours by right. It is not a favor. It's supposed to be yours. And when they squander money that is supposed to be yours, when they squander opportunities that your children are supposed to gain, and when they come out, you begin to hail them. You begin to come out to die for them. And this man doesn't give a fuck about you. They don't care about you and I. And since you say that slavery is good for you, may you remain a slave forever. As for this Biafran cause, we must achieve it. They are not going to kill everybody. Nobody, all of us, we are not going to die one time. There are people that will still tell the story. You see this race, we must run it to the end. Since they have decided to make this area ungovernable for us, since they have decided to make this place a death trap for us, they will never travel and have peace out there. Those ones that managed to escape from this cage, and you went there, you want to go to the another man's land where they have arranged already. You want to go and have peace there. It's not possible. It's not done. We all must be here. We will be here. Ono chaka chibe ya. O ai ge shiwi ya na akuna ligo. Ai ge shia shima ye shima. Eba hono feel that now wickedness is good. Una man with peace. You people will never know peace. Both past and present, you people will never know peace. And you owe us every explanation. Just be ready to answer us when we come.